If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What is going on, guys? Apple World here. So inside of this box is the YouTube Silver Play button. It's been a dream for me since I was little. I've always watched YouTube and I've always watched my favorite creators actually unboxing this. So for me, actually having this in my hands right now, I can't ask for anything else. And all of this is thanks to you. We've got the silver play button, we've got the gold play button, and then we've got the diamond play button. This one's the silver. You start by something. Hopefully one day we'll get the diamond play button, or at least the gold play button. But for now, this is incredible. Like I never thought I was actually going to be able, to be honest, I didn't find my unboxing knife and I was too impatient to actually look for it. So let's go ahead and start unboxing it. When I first started my YouTube channel, I never thought I was gonna have this. So if you guys are actually thinking on launching a YouTube channel, do it. Like, you just start with your first video. I already made my thank you, my 100K special video, which by the way, if you guys haven't checked out that video, it's probably one of my favorite videos I've ever done. It's pretty emotional. It's linked down below. Definitely go check it out. Or if not, I'll poke you with my knife. Jeez. Wow, they taped this really well. So it took a long way to come here. It's been like it's been like around 1 month since I've actually ordered it. By the way, once again, thank you guys so much for 100K. It's like incredible. Can we open it already? Come on! This is taped so well. Jeez, who tapes this? I feel like I'm gonna cut myself. Don't use knives at home like this. And here we go, baby. All right, the moment of truth. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I totally forgot about the letter. Okay, I'm actually not gonna look. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. I don't want to look at the silver play button yet. Okay, we've got to know. Wow, this paper is so nice. This award was inspected and packaged with a great care by Rick. Rick, thank you very much. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your YouTube channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained, or simply being a freaking Apple fanboy. You guys are the best. You achieved this milestone with your hard work, with you being an Apple fanboy, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. You gotta get the humor in there. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than what you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan How the heck do you pronounce this name? Susan Wush. I'll just try and say it. Susan Wush-Kiki? Susan Wush-Kiki. Thank you. Are you guys ready? This is the moment of truth. This is my dream becoming a reality right here. 1, 2, and 3. You guys just saw it before me. I'm jealous. 1, 2, 3. This feels so unreal right now. Man. It's nice and heavy. What is this? This is incredible. I'm honestly so speechless. And here it is, guys. Presented to Apple World. Wait, did they spell my name right? Yes, they did. For passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube. There it is. I honestly don't know what else to say. I mean, seriously, if you guys haven't watched my 100,000 special video, definitely go check it out. I poured my heart into that video. You have to watch it. Like, to be honest, that's pretty much it for this video. Just watch the video right now. Oh, wait. Seriously, like, you need to watch it. Come on, click on it. I'm waiting.